Have you ever been excited to jump into your favorite game only to be stopped dead in your tracks by the dreaded Steam corrupt disk error? It is frustrating, confusing, and honestly, a huge mood killer. But don't worry, because today I am going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam corrupt disk error so you can get back to gaming in no time. This is a common issue, and the solution is much simpler than most people think. If this video helps you get your games running again, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy gaming troubleshooting guides. Let's get right into the fix. First, you need to open up your Steam client on your computer. Once Steam is fully loaded and you are looking at your main dashboard, navigate over to your Library tab at the top of the window. This is where all your games are listed. Find the specific game that is giving you the corrupt disk error. Once you have identified the game, right-click on the game title, which will open a small menu of options. From that menu, go ahead and click on Properties. This will open a new window containing several tabs on the left-hand side. You want to look for the tab labeled Installed Files and click on it. Looking at the options present in that section, you will see a button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Go ahead and click that button. Steam will now start a process where it compares the files currently on your hard drive with the original files on the Steam servers. Now, please keep in mind that this process will take some time, and the duration really depends on the total file size of your game. For larger, modern titles, be prepared to grab a cup of coffee and wait a few minutes while Steam does its heavy lifting. During this time, the software is essentially repairing any corrupted data packets that are causing your disk error. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, a small confirmation window will pop up telling you that all files have been successfully validated. Once you see that notification, you can close that window and try to launch the game again. In the vast majority of cases, this step is all it takes to resolve the error. If you find that the game launches perfectly fine, then congratulations, you have fixed the issue manually without needing to uninstall or reinstall your entire library. It is efficient, safe, and saves you from downloading potentially hundreds of gigabytes of data all over again. If this video helped you save your gaming session, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.